Good morning. Today I'm going to share a quick, simple, easy trick with you to get your day started with a fresh mood. Now, this trick might seem very obvious to you, and some of you might already be doing it, which is great. Buy a simple, old fashioned alarm clock to set your alarm and place your wireless mobile devices far away from hand's reach before you go to bed. The first 30 minutes in the morning is your precious time. It is your sacred space. Do not let the outside world come rushing in, encroaching upon your personal space. That email can wait. The notifications can definitely wait. The news can wait. Take your time first thing in the morning, breathe mindfully, relax, just be with your own thoughts. Enjoy that cup of coffee, get ready for a full day ahead. If you do this at least 3 or 4 days in a row, you might start noticing some changes. You might notice that your day is brighter, you are more productive, more efficient, more energetic, and maybe more joyful. I hope this works for you.